Confession, you're my obsession. Good morning, everybody.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If I'm getting stopped out, I would just reverse with half of the contract size and half of the stop loss. At the moment, I'm risking $125 on a short position. Um, if I'm getting stopped out, I'm going to just reverse it and put half of the stop. That means like $62.50 risk with 4 contracts long. But at the moment, I'm looking forward for this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency to get filled on the 1 hour. But if not, we're just gonna pump from here. Like if we're not going to go down like very very fast down, now it would not go down there. Like it would not go down there at all. So yeah, that's the plan. That's what I'm going to execute. If I'm gonna get stopped out twice, I'm finished for the day. And yeah, that's the plan. The performance on this account is minus at the moment, minus like 2.5%, $1,000, 240,
Order
245.
filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out. Now cancel all, take
Order
4,
filled.
and that's it. Half of the stop. That means $63. And yeah, that's the plan. Hmm. Yep, that's bad. That's a bad day. That's an undisciplined day. I would explain exactly how that happened. Uh, like, there's no excuses. I will just show you, like, it's overtrading. When you overtrade and over leverage yourself, that's what happens. It was a good day, $300 in profit, but I've done some bad decision making and just fucked this day over. So I just reflected on it on the weekend and reflected on my whole strategy, and now we're just going to fix it. And you're gonna join me on this, like on my way, on going back, regaining confidence and everything. So yeah, now we took another position. We got stopped out on a short. That means like we're just like going to go up from here most likely and not feel this BC. Just like keep going up because we're inside the daily BC. Should be like we're in a very big discount on the highs. So yeah, I'm just looking forward for an up move on the day at whole. And yeah, we got stopped out for $128. That's okay. We just cut the risk in half. The contract size and the stop loss. The stop loss right now is on $62 to make 500. That's like the plan. And yeah, it's half of the last stop. The last stop was $128. And from here we just like wait. Just sit on our hands and let it play out. If again, if we get stopped out, that's it. Like for the day, we're not gonna trade anymore today. And yeah, slowly but surely you have to regain your confidence while trading because when you're in a losing streak, you can lose yourself. Taking small losses, it's okay. It's a part of this business. And yeah, don't let the losses be bigger than your winners. And we've got help. We're gonna get there. It's just like I'm Jewish, so I don't worry because I know I have like someone have my back at whole times. At whole times, man. I'm not even worried. בעזרת השם נעשה ונצליח. ברכה והצלחה לכולם.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have another combine, and that combine, look, like I'm trying to regain my stuff, slowly but surely. This combine started with like a big lose, again, over risking, over leveraging, over trading. Started on a win, on like $50 win. Could have taken that, but nah. It just went downhill, and thanks God I stopped myself. I got the power from my God to stop and just like be disciplined and just wait for the next day. And that paid off because when you wait patiently, you can regain it with only one trade. When your mind is too tilted when you're trading, you making bad decisions. So when you see you're in a losing streak, just cut it. Just cut it. Cut it small. It's better to take small losses and take them even like 2, 3 times a week than take one big lose, because one big loss is going to fuck you mentally. It's going to play with your mind. When you're in this game, when you're trading, when you're here, you need to be on your A game. And if you're not in your A game, don't be on the chart. God is great. My God, thank you, Hashem Yitbarach. And yeah, that's just a waiting game from now on. It could take an hour, it could take 5 minutes. You cannot know. You cannot like really predict it, and you just need to wait. That's it. I have the whole London session to wait if I want to. I would take off maybe one contract out of the four. Um, when we get like to uh like 25 520, like right here, I might take like only one contract. But generally I don't need to do that. But I want to. You know what? I would not do that. I would let those contracts sit and just not touch it and let it do its thing. And yeah, now we're just waiting. Hmm. We've took one stop loss today. We've taken a loss, and that's okay. That's a part of the game. What we've done after we took the loss, that's what important. Remember, what happens after you take the loss, that's what is important, not the loss itself. The actions you take, do not go on tilt, go half of your risk. Cut everything in half. If let's say you've taken like a $100 loss with two contracts, then have a $50 stop loss with one contract and try to make the same return, like the same risk to reward ratio on this trade. And that's how you recover your stop loss and gain more and using less risk. So your risk of rowing on the account is getting smaller while your actual account will still grow percentage wise like half of the pace. That's okay. Like that's good, mm, good money management. That's good money management tool to use. Like just when you take a loss, so you won't will not get tilted and will not be so emotional. Just cut in half your risk, and it would pay you off massively. That's how you regain your confidence back as well in the market, in your strategy, in your decision making skills to trade. You understand? That's how you get better in this game. And yeah, like reflecting. Reflecting is very, very, very important on this game. Reflect on what you've done before and how you can better yourself in this game. What I've done last week was very bad risk management. Like my risk was very high, that I could not afford that. I could not afford this kind of risk at the moment. At the moment that I was trading, and it got me tilted. When you're using too much leverage, too much risk, you will get tilted. That's 100%. Like it's 100% going to happen. You just need to not 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 uh, not get over emotional on this game. Like if you have a good strategy, you know to use it, most likely you will win. But it's in the long term. You can take like a 10 losing streak. It can happen. Like it's something that it is possible in the market, in those financial markets. So you need to know how to risk accordingly. Like how to do not take big massive positions to get big payoffs, but you can it could wipe you off at the same pace as it can pay you off. You just need to manage your risk correctly and manage everything like like a robot, let's say. You just need to be calculated on every single move you take. Do not get overzealous, do not get over emotional. Just stick to your plan, stick to your guns, and that's it. So now what we're doing is just waiting on price to get higher. We went long. We went at the start of the day. We went short. I went short. I got stopped out for a full position size. That means 8 contracts. I had 8 contracts with 125 dollar stop loss, and I got stopped out. What I've done, I cut my risk in half. That means 4 contracts with 7.75 point stop. That means $62, $63. It's $62. And now I'm just waiting. I'm not gonna touch it, not gonna do anything, and either let the market just take me out of it. I have my order set. Like I have a take profit, I have a stop loss, and what we're doing from here is just waiting. That's the game. You need to wait. You need to be patient and not over risk. Do not over leverage yourself. And yeah, I reflected on my decision making last week. Last week was not that good. Let's be like honest. It was not that good. But I'm not gonna bury myself because of it. I'm just going to better myself. You know, do not bury yourself, better yourself in this game. Like do not take it so serious, but do like you have to be serious, you know. I don't know how to explain the fine tuning of um how you should act, but yeah, and patience will pay you dividends in this game. And again, thank you everybody for joining. If you can drop a like or a sub, I would appreciate it. It helps me grow the channel out. I'm trying to give as much value that I can, and it's free. Like it's free to drop a sub, drop a like. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. And yeah, again, let me tell you what is going to happen either way. There is two possibilities here. If we're getting stopped out, we're done for the day. That's it. I'm closing the account and finished. If we're getting take profit, again, we're done. Both possibilities are going to take us out of the market for good for today. And yeah, that's the plan. That's how I'm going to act today. And that's risk management, that's discipline, and should act in those financial markets. And God willing, we're gonna make millions in the end of it. Just stay patient, stay disciplined. That's it. That's the plan. That's what we're going to do.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. What we're going to do? Lock out the account. And I'm happy. That's a good day. That's a win. That's a W. Look, that's a W day. Why that's a W? Man, you lost money. Like you lost money. Why you think that's a win? Let me again explain myself. I'm not explaining myself. I'm explaining the thought process of a good trader, of a profitable trader. When you stop and take a step back, you can reflect on your decision making. And if you got stopped out twice, that means something is not okay. Something is not right. And if I would stay on those charts and still trade, most likely the most likely possibility that is going to happen, I'm going to get tilted and not trade according to my plan. And yeah, why close the account? Because I do not want to trade as a tilted trader. So yeah, we're done for today. I'm not gonna trade today anymore on the account. I have a combine open. There is another position, but this position, I'm not touching it. Either way, it goes to my stop, it goes to my take profit. I don't care. Um, and yeah, I will catch you tomorrow. And hope you enjoyed. Hope you taking something from here. Please, please, please drop a sub, drop a like if you can. If you, I don't know, if it helped you. Those words I said. And yeah, down $187 on the day, and I'm happy with it. Have a great day and have a great week. Goodbye, boys.